ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ದಿನ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 4ರಿಂದ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. A square plate expands uniformly, the side is increasing, square plate. So we need to take like this square plate. Okay, while discussing the examples only, we will discuss the synopsis also. Okay, a square plate expands uniformly, the side is increasing at the rate of 0.2 centimeter. So that means I am taking the side is nothing but x. So therefore dx by dt given to you 0.2. Okay, the rate at which the area is increasing. What is the area of the square? Nothing but x square. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. dA by dt is equal to 2x into dx by dt. So, but what he is asking, the rate at which the area is increasing when the side is 10 centimeter. So, that means when x equal to 10. So, therefore, 2 into x means 10. dx by dt already given to you 0.2. Okay, 0.2 is nothing but 2 by 10. So, therefore, 4 centimeter square per second. Okay, that is the answer. Next, the acceleration vanishes. So here nimku displacement ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. Acceleration vanishes ಅಂದ್ರೆ first of all we need to find velocity. What is velocity? ds by dt. Okay, ds by dt is how much? 9t square minus 8t plus 1. What is acceleration? da by dt. What is da by dt? 18t minus 8. But acceleration vanishes. So that means 18t minus 8 equal to 0. Hence t is equal to how much? 4 by 9. So the answer is t is equal to 4 by 9. The radius of the circular plate radius is increasing. That means dr by dt given to you, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi. Okay, the rate of change of area of the plate. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Differentiate both sides with respect to t. dA by dt equal to pi into r square derivation 2r for r dr by dt. The area of the plate when the radius is 6 centimeter. That means pi into 2 into 6, r value 6 given to us, into dr by dt 2 by 3 pi. So this pi get cancelled. This is 3 2 times get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 centimeter square per second. Option A is the right answer. Next, the tangent to the curve. What is the equation of the tangent? Okay na, y minus y1 equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. First of all, what given to you? Y log x. Matte dy by dx enagutte 1 by x. Now slope of the tangent dy by dx at the indicated point 1 comma 0 is how much? 1 by 1. X is nothing but 1. So therefore nothing but 1. Okay, but here he is asking what is the equation of the tangent. You know very well equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. So therefore y minus x1 y1 given to us, y minus 0 equal to dy by dx is already I got 1 into x minus 1. So therefore I will get x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. That's the answer, option C. Next, the angle between the tangent to the curves. Angle between the tangent to the curve. Suppose the two curves is like this. Angle between the tangents to the curves. Okay na? So this is the tangent to the curve. What is the angle between the tangent to the curves? First of all, what given to us? Y is equal to x square given to us. Okay, given to us y is equal to x square. So dy by dx is equal to 2x. dy by dx equal to 2x. That means dy by dx. So here y equal to x square given to us. So that means dy by dx equal to 2x. So therefore dy by dx at the indicated point 1 comma 1, nothing but 2 into 1, 2. Let it be m1. Next, here 1 is equal to differentiating both sides with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. Hence dy by dx is equal to at the indicated point 1 comma 1, nothing but 1 by 2 into 1, 2. So this is nothing but m2. So we know that tan theta formula modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so therefore tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 is 2 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So 2 get cancelled. This is nothing but 4 minus 1, 3 by total 4. This is tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Hence theta is equal to how much? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. So the answer will be option C. Next. 4x minus y is a tangent to the curve y square equal to ax cube plus b at 2 comma 3. So first of all, this is the tangent. This is curve y square equal to ax cube plus b somewhere, okay, and this is the tangent to the curve. What is the at 2 comma 3? So therefore at the point 2 comma 3, okay. So therefore what is the values of a and b, okay. Here y square equal to ax cube plus b given curve, okay. So that means a differentiate module 2y into dy by dx is equal to 3ax square. Hence this point we need to substitute in the 2y into dy by dx. So that means this is how much we will get 2 into 3 dy by dx is equal to 3a into x square ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, okay. So therefore this is 3 get cancelled and this 2 how many times get cancelled? 2. Hence dy by dx is equal to I got 2a. ಮತ್ತೆ I got the slope of the tangent. Already here tangent ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx equal to 4. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ a is equal to 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಈ 2 comma 3 ಲೈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 9 is equal to a into 2 cube 8 plus b. So therefore 9 is equal to a value already we got 2, 2 8s are 16 plus b. Hence b is equal to 9 minus 16 minus 7. So therefore the answer is a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, okay. Option A. The slope of the normal at the point given to us. Slope of the normal. So this is a curve suppose, and this is the tangent to the curve, and this is the normal to the curve. What is the slope of the normal? Minus 1 by dy by dx, okay. So first of all dy by dx ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, okay. This is dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3. Now dy by dx at the point minus 2 comma 0. x place ನಲ್ಲಿ minus 2, y place ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 0, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ y ಇಲ್ಲ. Hence 2 into minus 2 plus 3. This is minus 4 plus 3, nothing but minus 1. Now slope of the normal minus 1 by dy by dx. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ dy by dx ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? minus 1. So the answer will be 1. Option A. F of x equal to 2x square log x increases in the interval. First of all we need to find f dash of x. Either increasing or decreasing, we need to find f dash of x, okay. F dash of x equal to 4x minus 1 by x, okay. That means we will get what? 4x square minus 1 by x. So first of all to get the critical values we need to put f dash of x equal to 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 4x square minus 1 equal to 0, but x is not equal to 0. Hence x square equal to 1 by 4, x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So therefore we got the critical values minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. So therefore this is till infinity, till this is minus infinity, okay. Suppose if this is one of the interval, take any value in between this interval. Suppose I am taking 3. 3 in we need to substitute in f dash of x. Substitute here. 4 3s are 12 minus 1 by 3, 36 minus 1, 35 by 3, which is positive, increasing, okay na. Therefore f dash of x increases in the interval 1 by 2 to infinity. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ increasing, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ decreasing. So the answer is option D, 1 by 2 to infinity. Next, the function has maximum. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ is f of x. This we will take as f of x. First find f dash of x. What is f dash of x? 9x square minus 18x minus 27, okay. That means this I can write as taking 9 common, x square minus 2x minus 3, okay. So that means which is equal to, okay, 9 into, we need to make it as a quadratic formula, we need to find the roots, okay. So therefore this I can write as minus 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಓಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 which is equal to 9 into x common x minus 3 plus 1 common x minus 3. So therefore 9 into x plus 1 into x minus 3. So that means I got the two critical values. So put f for maximum or minimum, put f dash of x is equal to 0. So therefore I got what? 9 into x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore I got x equal to minus 1, x equal to 3 I got. Okay, these two are the critical values. Next immediately I need to find f double dash of x. f double dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? Okay, 18x minus 18. So now one by one critical value. He is asking maximum. Maximum ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೂ? ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. f double dash of x at x equal to minus 1. Substitute ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ minus 18 which is equal to minus 36 which is less than 0. Therefore at x equal to minus 1 maximum will exist. So option A is the answer. At x equal to 1 the function has, suppose the given function is f of x. Find out f dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? 3x square minus 6x plus 3. And find out f double dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? 6x minus 6. Now what he is asking at x equal to 1. ಅಂದರೆ f dash of 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? Put x equal to 1, 3 minus 6 minus 3 plus 3 0. Similarly f double dash of 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ನೋಡು? 6 into 1 6 minus 6 0. At x equal to f dash of 1 0 ಆಗಿದೆ, f double dash of 1 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. That means neither maxima nor minima. Okay, so that is called point of inflection at x equal to 1. If x is real, then the minimum value he is asking. The given question I am taking as f of x. That means f dash of x is what? 2x minus 8. For max or min, put f dash of x equal to 0. ಅಂದರೆ x is equal to ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now he is asking f double dash of x first of all. f double dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? 2 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. Now f double dash of x at x equal to 4 is nothing but 2 which is greater than 0. Therefore at x equal to 4 minimum will exist, but he is asking what? Minimum value. Under x equal to 4 we need to substitute in the given question. That means 4 square minus 8 into 4 plus 17. So therefore this is 16 minus 32 plus 16 which is equal to plus 17. So therefore this is minus 16 plus 17 which is equal to 1. So therefore the minimum value is nothing but 1. The minimum value of x plus y is what? When x comma y equal to 1. This I can do by using shortcut technique. See here, when x is greater than 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ, then y is also ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ones are 1. So therefore minimum is 1 only. So therefore x plus y, that means 1 plus 1 nothing but 2. So therefore the minimum value is nothing but 2. Okay, then next, what is the maximum value of xy subject to x plus y equal to 7? That means y is equal to how much I will get here? 7 minus x. So that means some product given to you x y. Therefore p is equal to x into what is y? 7 minus x. p is equal to 7x minus x square. Differentiate madama. dp by dx is equal to 7 minus 2x. For max or min we need to put first derivative equal to 0. Hence 7 is equal to 2x. Hence x is equal to what? 7 by 2. He is asking what? Maximum value. Okay, maximum value of xy. First of all we need to substitute x is equal to here. Hence y is equal to what? 7 minus 7 by 2. 14 minus, that means y is equal to 7 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So maximum value of xy ಅಂದರೆ product is how much? ಅಂದರೆ product xy. X value is how much? 7 by 2. Y value is how much? 7 by 2. So therefore 49 by 4 is the maximum value. See.